Okay, so the first question that we have is solve for x. So we are given this equation and we have, we see that there is these parentheses. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do here is to apply what we know as please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So where parentheses is the first thing we are going to take care of, then exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Okay, so let's go ahead and write out our equation. We have 7x minus 3 times 2x plus 4 is equal to 9 minus x minus 5. So what we are going to do here is we are going to distribute the parentheses. Okay, and here we're going to distribute the negative. So negative means -1. So let's go ahead and do that. In the next step, 7x. So now you have -3 times 2x, so that is going to be -6x. And then you have -3 times 4, that's going to be equal to -12. That is equal to, again, we said that if there is nothing here, that's -1. So 9, -1x is -x. -1 times -5 is +5. All right. So step 2, what we are going to do here is basically combine like terms. Combine like terms. So what that means here is you can going to combine the 7x and 6x and the numbers out here, and then we will solve for x in just a minute. Okay, so 7x minus 6x is going to be 7x minus 6x is going to be just x, so we can write x in place of that, and then we have -12 minus 12 equals, so let's add the 9 plus 5, that's equal to -x plus 9 plus 5 is 14. All right. Okay, very good. Now the final step we're going to do is we are going to basically bring the variables together. So step 3 is bring variables together so we can solve for x. Okay, and numbers together and numbers. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add. So here I have x minus 12 equals -x plus 14. So I'm going to add x on both sides. So plus x plus x. So why did we do that? So this gets cancelled. And then I'm going to add 12 on both sides. Now why did we do that? Because of the 12 gets cancelled. Okay, so now we have x plus x is 2x equals 14 plus 12 is 26. All right, so finally we're going to isolate x, isolate the x, and so when in order to do that, I'm just going to take 2x and divide both sides by 2. 26 divided by 2. So that cancels the 2, and then the 2 goes into 26 13 times. And so this is our final answer. X equals 13, and this is represented by choice D here. Okay, so that is our final answer.